and pinning it closer.
Okay. Oh, the former Prime Minister sister
Yeah,
you
the
make
palm.
it for?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to visit a tin man, a man that makes stuff out of tin here in Jamaica. We're actually in St. Elizabeth right now. Alright, so this is Mr. Leslie Lewis, aka Tinman. How you doing today, sir?
I'm doing well.
Why me hear so much about you?
Pleased to hear that.
Yes man, me hear say you can make all kind of things out of tin.
Not all, yes, all kind of things, but not everything. A
Okay.
number of things.
Okay.
Many things. Baking pan, ladders, tin sheet, funnel, transmission funnel in particular, sieve, strainer
So transmission for vehicle?
for motor vehicle, yeah.
Oh, the funnel for the transmission, you can make it.
Yes, I make them.
So how long you've been doing this now? How long
I've
you
been doing this as long as as old as I am.
Oh yeah?
Nearly as old as I am. I've been doing it from I was about 16, 17.
So who would teach you the trade? Who teach you to do it?
I'm the man in Spanish Town.
Oh, so you
Named Louis.
name Louis like you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What a coincidence, eh?
Sometimes.
So you're from the Spanish Town side?
I'm from the hills of St. Catherine, Voice Content to be exact. 8 miles from Woolava. Where you go by the Calvec where the old great house used to be or still is. You
Yeah.
pass there and go up the hills.
Oh.
Well, Voice Content.
Okay.
And I went to Ludford Mount School.
So what's the story about? Tell me the story about Boys Content. The Great House, I mean. Tell me the story about the Great House.
I can't relate it. I only know that it is there.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay, I see. So you leave from down here and how you get to St. Elizabeth? How you come to be down here?
I get to come down here because of my children's mother. She invites me here.
Okay.
I have not gone back.
Okay. Okay, I see. And you've been working here for the past 39 years?
No, about 30 years.
About 30 years, okay.
The children were born in Kingston,
Okay.
where I was grown. Although I was belonging to the hills of St. Catherine, I grew in Kingston.
But the people from the surrounding area, they support your business?
Yes, as much as they need.
Right.
Things.
And how is the business now?
It could be better, but I have to say, give God thanks for what it is. You never get everything that you want.
Okay.
And not
true,
even
man.
at the same time when you need it. It comes sometimes when you don't even expect it.
True. A true, man.
Sooner or later, my type of work will become a defunct business.
I was just gonna ask you about it. Say,
For very few people. I saw a man came from Kingston the other day, and he told me that he searched everywhere to find somebody to build something like this to put high scene.
Oh.
And he was at Alligator Pan, and somebody told him the person didn't know my name.
Right.
To put high scene, and it's me they could find.
Oh. You see? Yeah, man, but we don't want the business, we don't want that to happen. Because the material that you use, and the fact that you use your own two hands and make it, that's the type of things we want to see Jamaican entrepreneur do. And continue. We don't mind y'all teach some younger heads how to make them thing here.
But unfortunately, read between the lines.
Them not interested in them thing
here. Not even my son. He's in Canada. And he grew up and see me doing this and he didn't learn it.
Oh, this is something I would have learned.
He didn't learn.
Me like them kind of something. I would learn how to do this. Maybe one of these days me come and you can teach me something. Yeah, man. Me like them something here, them old time things here. Oops.
This is used to put in the transmission fuel in the vehicle.
Okay, so you make these.
I make them.
Okay. And what are some of the other things where you make now? So in here, so you make the things them?
No, outside.
Oh, outside, but you store them in here.
Lotters.
Oh, this is a lotter.
Yeah, for baking purpose.
Yes, yes, yes.
Lotter for baking purpose.
Yeah, man. Hold it properly so they can see it in case they want to purchase it. Okay. Alright, nice. What else you have here?
Sieve. Strainer. Sieve.
Alright, so this used to do what exactly?
Sieve.
This
To
one.
sieve cassava,
Okay.
corn, and things like that.
Okay. And this is just a strainer you can use to strain whatever.
It is a strainer. It can be used multi-purpose as well.
Okay, I see. Alright.
Baking pan.
Okay.
Pizza is coming, bun time.
Okay. So everybody should get a baking pan from Tinman.
If they need it.
Yes, yes, yes. So like how you sell these now?
These are $1,500. So 3 of them.
Oh, all 3 of them for 15?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know viewers who want to purchase can have an idea.
Yeah.
How you sell it.
Hardship baking pan. Valentine, they just gone the other day.
Yes, yes. How much for your baking pan?
This one is for 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want people support Tinman, you know, because he's an entrepreneur. You live with your wife or you live by yourself?
I live by myself now.
Okay. So, you know, he needs, this is his only source of income. So people who can support him, you just please support him. What else you have, Tinman?
Big baking things, although I do small ones.
Okay.
But these are 2 round ones.
How you sell these ones?
They're $1,000 and $1,200.
Okay.
And smaller ones, like a 10-inch. Like a 10-inch one will cost $700. A 9-inch will cost $600. And 8-inch will cost $500.
So, okay, you're very reasonable, man.
Yeah.
What else you have there now, Tinman?
Ladle to take up soup,
Okay.
porridge, drinks,
Yes.
or what have you.
Okay. So when people are keep
Short
them
one,
big dance
this
and
is
something
mostly
or party
This one is
or
mostly for home purpose.
Oh,
It is
this-
short,
oh.
but I mean I do long one and bigger ones as well. But I don't have any here now.
Okay, okay, I see.
Feeding pan. Feeding pan for the chick.
Okay. So people, you remember back in the day, them all time fall feeding tin here. This people used to use to feel the foal them back in the days. This them used to use. And you make this yourself, Mr. Tinman, not
Yes,
true?
I build them.
Wow. And how much for something like this?
Something like $1,500.
Okay. And you say how them do it now? How them use it exactly?
The feed is poured through here.
Right.
And it is rest on the ground. Or some people may hang it up. Depends on the size of the chicks. If it's baby chicks,
Yes.
it will rest on the ground.
Oh,
If a
okay.
big fowl, bigger one, it's being hung up.
Okay, and the baby chicks just go there and pick.
Around here. Around.
Okay, okay. Oh man, it's a nice little thing you have going
Even
on here.
savings thing for those who inclined to put things in the saving pan instead of partner.
Let them see it properly. Okay, yeah man, nice. And you have some more things here.
Yeah. There are scoops to scoop up flour, rice, cornmeal, and things like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Even garden. Even
Yes.
for
yes.
gardening,
Yeah,
people
man.
use it to take up earth and so
Yes,
they-
yes.
that's it.
How you sell those?
They are 3 and 6.
Okay.
3 and 6.
Okay.
Not 6, 4.
4.
Yes. 3 and 4.
Okay, okay. Reasonable.
Small funnel that you use in the home and in the shop. pouring things from one bottle to another.
Like oil or so.
Yes, whatever type
Yeah.
of liquid you
Mhm.
wish to pour from one bottle to another.
Yeah. So shopkeepers can purchase this.
Yes, shopkeepers use them as well. Yeah, shopkeepers. And many more things I do, but
You can give them an idea, even though you don't have some of them right now.
Yeah.
You can tell them what are some of the other things them that you make.
hexagon, hexagon pan, baking pan,
Oh.
6 corner hexagonal,
Okay.
and I do one that is called bunt tin, but I do not have any here now. That is one with a piece in the middle, and when the cake is baked, it has a hole in it.
Oh.
It is called, people call it angel tin, but the correct name for it is bunt.
Oh, I know those ones. I know those things.
BUNDT, bunt
Oh.
tin.
You're very knowledgeable about what you're doing, man.
I should.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Even things to be bummies.
Okay.
These small ones, and I do
Yes.
bigger ones as well.
Okay, so that shape out the bummy.
Yeah, that's right. It's put
Okay.
in place on the iron that they do the bummy,
Yes.
and the bummy is baking.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Nice.
Yeah.
So these are the scraps from all of the things them that you cut before.
Yes, that I have cut is about 3 years ago. I get a truck and draw them, but they grow fast, They grow fast.
Yes, yes.
Very-
But I heard that you make even the water pan, like the water garden.
Yes, I do it, but I don't. All right. This is a whole one. This is a whole one. I actually stopped making them now, for I don't have the type of material.
Okay.
The type of material that make this pan
Mm-hmm.
is the type that make this.
Oh.
Cannot use to make the gardening pan, the watering can.
Oh.
For this one has to soda, and the material, that material cannot take soda.
Oh.
It is aluminum and steel. You have to have galvan. This is galvan.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see. Okay.
Just a second. Myself, home purpose. This part, my second daughter's 39 years of age, and I built this spot in Kingston when she was baby, just a toddler,
Oh, yes.
and 2 times
Uh-huh.
I changed the bottle.
39 years ago.
37 years.
Yes,
The-
yeah. Okay, so it's strong. Long
One time
lasting.
I
Wow.
changed the bottle.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you make this too? You make this?
Yes, I make this one.
To wash plate.
Yes, for myself.
Okay.
I don't do it for much.
So what is this one that you're making here?
Savings pan as well.
Oh, this is a saving pan.
Big one.
Okay. Look here, people. Now remember this? Them old time saving pan here from back in the days. If I know look what you call it, suppergen tin. At this the people them save them money, A long time I not see this, Oh my God. And this is a smaller one. This is a smaller saving tin. And this is your work area.
Yes, this is the work area.
Okay. So show them the tools that you use. So this is his little work area. This is where all the magic, not magic, all the good work happen. Okay.
First thing, my cutting scissors
Mm-hmm.
to cut the material, the zinc.
Okay.
My hammer.
Yes.
And my hammer stick has to be short, or I have to use it on inside places sometimes. So the handle cannot be too tall.
Okay.
Importantly, a pliers to clinch things.
Yes, yes.
A small nipper to cut wire.
Okay.
Screwdriver.
Mm-hmm.
A defunct caliper.
Okay.
People call it compass, but the name is caliper.
Okay.
It is one part of it is gone. Used to make circle.
Yes, yes. Okay, so that you can have a perfect circle.
That's right, but
Okay.
one part of it is done. And I can't get one to buy.
Oh, because this one look like the ancient ones. Long time one.
Yes. I can't get one to buy.
I wonder if anybody overseas can find this for you.
I would love that.
What you call it again?
They call ordinarily compass.
Yeah.
But it is a caliper.
Okay. Okay, I see.
Yeah. I even make star baking pans. And this is what I would have to use to get the 5 corners.
Oh.
To get the 5 corners accurately.
Oh, so, and this is a what you say it name again?
Caliper.
A caliper.
Yeah.
So maybe somebody overseas can get one of these for you. It's used specifically for what again?
It's to make circle.
Okay, but it's for like building these specific type of things they use it for.
For the star baking pan.
Okay, okay.
The star baking pan.
Oh.
To get the 5 handle.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. I see. Okay.
Even horseshoe baking things I do still. Although I don't even want anybody to ask me to do it again for them. The last one I did it was for Bruce Gold in Sister in Whole Harbor when I was living there.
Oh yes?
Yeah.
You make it for Bruce Golden
The
sister?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, the former Prime Minister sister you make it for?
Yeah, yeah. She has the gas station on the right hand going to Old Harbor proper. Just before you reach the clock, the gas station on the left.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? So you're a big man in this business, man. Oh, it's really nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. This is the handle high and which I make hedge for the pans.
Okay.
Left and right. Inside out.
Okay.
One hedge is turned this way and then the other one is turned the other way.
Right.
So that I am going to lock it and let you see
Yes, yes.
what I mean.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah?
Okay.
Something like that.
Right.
There's a piece of tool for this, but I don't have that.
Right.
It's called a seam set.
Okay, okay.
I use the hammer to take it straight.
Okay.
And then
Yes.
I hedge it this way to put on the bottom.
Okay.
Wherever I join, it generally has a little piece projecting out. I have to clip it out.
Okay, so you just clip it around.
Just there.
Right. You have some bottom here.
Yeah, I was doing one a while ago.
Okay, you don't see it. Oh, wow. Why me feel like me a part of history?
I'm going to put on the bottom.
Yes.
The first phase of it is called groove.
Okay.
Groove.
Yes.
And the second phase is called double groove. You will see that if you have enough time.
Yes, man. I want to see how you do everything. I mean, the things them where you make back in the days, everybody have at least one of each one of the items where you make back in the yard. For sure, me know the chicken feeding pan. That is something where everybody did have in them chicken pen back in the days. Or chicken coop.
Being double groove, I pin it now.
Oh.
I'm pinning it closer.
Okay.
This is called double grooving.
Okay, let me come around.
Being grooved.
Yes.
And it's being double grooved now.
Okay.
Catch it a little around.
Okay.
At the time, if it's not done that way, it could slip out.
Oh.
Top is being put on the same way, but it won't be double groove, just groove.
Okay.
Top put on just like how the bottom put on. It won't be double groove, it won't double groove.
So why you mark that part with the pencil?
I mark it to remember when I'm doing the second round, where I started.
Okay. Oh.
And please, if you have this one, please don't think you can pull off this again. You'll have to chop it off with machine.
Yes.
Can't pull it off.
Okay. Because me see you go over it a couple times well. It's well fused together.
project.
Yes. And that's the cover of the saving tin.
Yes, and it has a next thing is to be done to it.
Okay.
Let me see what it is.
Is this what you're looking for?
No. I don't think it is out. This.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to cut a hole in it.
Yeah.
Where the tongue for the money should go through.
Oh.
This is the tongue for it.
Yeah.
To prevent the money from being taken out easily. There are few cans in the world.
You're smart, man.
People can steal it, you know?
Yes, yes.
Take it out, but when this is in it,
It's not so easy.
that's right, it is not easy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pin it in. I'm going
Okay.
to pin the tongue in by riveting it.
And that was so easy for you. For me to do it.
I tell you.
Oh, my
I'm going to pin the top of this.
Okay.
For sometimes, if it is not pinned,
Yes.
people could push a knife through here
Okay.
and open it and slide out.
Right.
I didn't pin the bottom for the bottom of it and keep the ear.
Okay. Okay.
Caliper. CALPHER.
Yes, man. Caliper, compass.
Sometimes you don't remember how certain words spell immediately, you know?
Yeah, man, I know.
Final field of work for this living. Final. This part is only groove, no double grooving, for it is not possible to do the double groove.
And the saving pan is finished.
It's finished.
Wow. Effortlessly you did that. My God. So, and how much is it for the saving pan?
$1,000 for this one. $300 for this.
Okay.
And one year for $600.
Okay.
So,
I'm going to purchase one from you for my daughter.
Alright.
Yes, man. I have to lead by example.
Alright.
So others can follow.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, me like handmade stuff. I like handmade things from back in the days.
Yeah.
So I like what you're doing here.
Yeah.
So persons who see what you're doing, if they want to support you, if they want to purchase anything, you have a number?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So I will just put that number in my comment section and in my description so they can contact you if they want to purchase any of your craft items.
That's right.
Alright, Mr. Lewis.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for showing us
Yeah.
your creativity.
Yes,
And I hope the viewers who are watching, will support you. If they need it, they support you.
Yeah.
And the thing that you need, what is it called again?
Caliper.
Caliper.
Compass,
right. And
to make circle.
Right. And if anybody out there can find it, probably overseas, because this one seems like a different type, because I've never seen that kind of compass before.
Okay, you see the one in school.
Right.
Yeah.
Yo, this one is a little different. So if anybody can find it for him.
One about 12 inches, you know what I mean?
Yes.
So they come in different length, you know.
Right. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for making it. Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, from Tinman here in St. Elizabeth, we're saying walk good and make good duppy walk with you.
Thanks.
Alright.